Frankly, replacing a condenser in the winter kinda sucks. So today I'm going to take advantage of our early spring and get this one knocked out. Every installation must start with a solid level base. For us here in Michigan, that happens to be a 3-inch polypropylene pad. And this is a Ruud RA13NZ. It's being relocated around the corner and approximately 15 feet from its original location. I'd love to believe that old adage, the tool is only as good as the man wielding it. But let's face it, if you're going to drill a 2-inch hole in the side of a house, you're going to need sharp teeth, plenty of torque, and a decent grip. Look at that. We're through. You gotta love technological advances. Watching that UV protected, tear resistant coating escape the basement intact was pretty awesome. For most of my installs, I prefer to shape the line set by hand. Here, I'm looking to create a gentle, downward slope, giving the refrigerant a nice ride back to the compressor. "60% of the time, it works every time." Okay, be honest. Who knows where that quote came from? If you know, you know. And if you know, go ahead and comment below. When attaching the disconnect, I always use stainless screws. They provide the best resistance to rusting, but forget about using your magnetic bit tips. For these, they're useless. The connections are pretty straightforward. From the panel to the line, from the load to the condenser. Don't rewind that. Move along. The breaker on this circuit is rated at 50 amps. Ruud states for this unit, my max circuit size can only be 25 amps. So since it would be a code violation for me to monkey with the panel, I'm just going to use these two 25 amp fuses. Problem solved. Don't forget to color for code. Dare I say it? Easy peasy? Lemon? Nope. First, cut the whip to length. Second, blindly try to feed that line. There you go. Good job. The rule is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. For an experienced installer, these Ruud units are pretty straightforward. You know, tab A, slot B. I only have one complaint. The contactor is mounted a little too low for my taste. I'd like to see it about inch and a half higher. Listen, I know I can just move it myself, but then I'd have nothing to complain about. So Ruud, if you're watching this, can you do a guy from Michigan a solid? This is not going to work. Starting over. Nope. Try again. I can live with that. Okay, mission accomplished. Outdoor unit complete. Stay tuned for part 2 where we install the furnace and indoor coil. Thanks for watching.